Ever see only one left and feel your finger sprint to buy now? That's scarcity flipping the panic button in your brain. When something seems rare, your brain assumes valuable, fast. It's a survival shortcut. Rare berries, grab them before someone else. Logic shrinks. You picture the loss, not the product. That's why timers, low stock banners, and last seats work. They don't add value, they add urgency. Here's the antidote. Pause. 5 breaths. Then ask, if there were 100 left, would I still want this at this price? If yes, proceed. If no, you just dodged a bias. The twist? Scarcity doesn't prove worth. It just hijacks attention. Sometimes only one left means limited stock. Often it means your choices were just downsized to one. React or reflect?